Warm greetings to all. Today we are going to see the basic grammar in English. I hope you all know about the parts of speech. What are all the what are all the parts which helps to speak fluently, to speak boldly. So there are 8 parts of speech in English. That is noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, interjection. So I chose verb. So verb is nothing but action verb. If we are doing physically or mentally, whatever the things we are doing, which comes under the category of verb. So it is divided into 2 kinds. So first one transitive, and then second one intransitive. So transitive verb, we can take this word along, that is transit. Transit means transfer or change. So it is transferring the meaning to someone or something. There must be an object. So without object, it is considered as an incomplete one. It will give incomplete meaning. For example, we can take this sentence, that is he killed. So he killed means it doesn't give proper meaning. So if the sentence is get fulfilled means we have to ask question, that is he killed what. So if you are asking this question what means, we can get the answer, that is he killed a rat or snake. So if you wanted to find the verb, that is transitive verb, you can ask these 2 questions, that is what and then whom. And then next I just move to the intransitive verb. Intransitive verb means it is not transferable verb. There is no object at all, and then it will give complete meaning, though it doesn't have object. So for example, I laughed loudly, and then they went to temple yesterday. So these are all the examples. So if you wanted to know the answer for this intransitive means, you can ask these question words, that is where, when, why, and then how. So on the last one key point, that is if the verb is followed by adverb means, you can easily find out that that is the intransitive one. So this is the just about verb, and then it's 2 categories, 2 kinds. Thank you.